What have I explored during these days of crisis? We heard stories, we shared experiences, we had hopes, dreams, and fears. We are trying to be the people who hear voices. While everyone shared their individual experiences of their lockdown days, we heard voices of communities, countries, and the whole human race. Sitting in the comfort of my living room, hearing the power of the words and feelings behind them, I felt really privileged to bear witness. Listen, you will connect with them.
छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टींमध्ये सुख शोधायला शिकली आहे मी या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये. गोष्टी गृहीत न धरणं आणि प्रत्येक गोष्टीचा मान करणं हे शिकली आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्वाचं म्हणजे स्वतःच्या प्रेमात मी पडली परत नव्याने आणि एकदम वेड्यासारखी.
Gedurende hierdie tyd waardeer ek hoe stil, vreedsaam en stadig die wêreld geword het, as ook die alleenheid en al die tyd wat ek nou het om aan myself en saam met my familie te spandeer, sonder om druk en skuld te voel om altyd produktief te wees.
I realized that I enjoy cooking during the lockdown, not just from a survival point of view or to simply fill up my stomach, but actually creating a dish with love and passion. All my life I have been fortunate enough to have been fed by great cooks at home, like my grandmothers, my mother, and my brother. So I have never had to actually cook for myself or anyone. But since I gave cooking a shot during this lockdown, I have also realized that cooking not just for yourself, but for others is an act which gives you immense joy and satisfaction.
I appreciate small things during this lockdown, which we usually used to neglect, is health. We never used to get time to take care of ourselves. So now, since we have lots of time, maybe some of might not get the time, but most of us have time, so we can look out for ourselves or for our family. Also, something I started loving about this lockdown is how much time I get to spend with my husband.
બધી સારી વાત ઈ લોકડાઉન जी ई है કે મીજે પર્સનલ કમ લાય ટાઈમ મિલી રહ્યો હવે જેરો કે હવે રોજ વોક લાવી નાતી सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ध्यान में रखीने मुझी वो बिल्डिंग जा भी मतलब वो फ्रेंड्स आए मतलब रिलेटिव्स आए जिनके साथ હું વિનાતી ને ऐसा वॉक करो था डिस्टेंस रखीने टाइम स्लॉट्स रखीने तो पर्सनल मतलब एरो वॉक करेला मिले तो પછી બીજો જો કમ આય જો આ સ્કૂલ जो यूजुअली હું કમ કરની સ્કૂલ વિનની 20 મિનિટ ને ટાઈમ ના મિલનો હું હવે મેકે मिले तो બધી से सारी बात लॉकडाउन जी है मैं अप्रिशिएट कराती कि मेके जो मेरी जो फैमिली है वो इतनी मतलब लविंग ने केयरिंग है मेरा पेरेंट्स इतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि लॉकडाउन में कोई गरम नहीं थी रही घर में कोई लड़ाई लाई थी बदी अकड़े वैसे मजाक मस्ती पूरा टाइम डी करो निकली ने तो समझ में नहीं मतलब खबर नहीं पुनी के लॉकडाउन से इतना डी की निकली वा.
Nach dem Lockdown werde ich vermissen, dass alles ruhiger und langsamer war. Ich möchte nicht zurück in diese schnelle und hektische Welt.
ഈ ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ കാലഘട്ടം സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്താനുള്ളൊരു സമയമായിരുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റും എന്തെല്ലാം ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട് നമ്മളെ ഹാപ്പി ആക്കാനെന്ന് കണ്ടു. എന്നിലുള്ള പുതിയ കുറേ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റുകൾ ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കി. ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിലൂടെ ഞാൻ എന്നിലുള്ള ഒരു ബെറ്റർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടുള്ള എന്നെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു.
It'd be easier if we help each other out, even during normal days. Like during lockdown, I learned this. The most moving moment during this lockdown was like there became like a ritual between like my younger sister, me, and my father, where we played Ludo, and it was really fun.
I definitely miss hanging out with my friends, meeting them. I miss meeting with my relatives or cousins. I miss going out to the mall, watching the movie in a theater with real effects and experience. But I know that very soon, hopefully soon, it'll all get over. It'll be at the back of our head. I mean, we'll be completely done with it, and I hope we'll emerge stronger and better and safer.
I learned to value relationship over this period, understood who are more closer and who are more dear to me and who are just a part of a phase of my life. Um, I would say this is a time for self reflection, to know your inner strength, what you're capable are, exploring your emotions, unwinding your feelings of your own inner discomfort that you face. So this is a very good time that I learned, and I'm not doing something extra like doing fancy cooking or doing yoga or exercise something. I'm okay chilling on my bed, getting up at my own space of time, being me, more of being myself.
What I realized during this lockdown is nothing is urgent in life, and how important and valuable is this life. Thus, I appreciate staying home during this lockdown. Also, I learned playing new games online all together with family members, and we all meet online regularly on weekends and have good talk time.
Essere uguali di fronte al dolore, alla pena, alla paura, forse ci fa guardare con una nuova fraternità. Chi ha meno, chi non ha nessuno che lo attenda a casa dopo la guarigione. Mi rendo conto, l'egoismo avrà perduto un po' della sua forza, perché ora abbiamo un virus nemico che attualmente ha la libertà di toccare tutti, ricchi e poveri, senza fare alcuna distinzione.
I appreciate that I have access to food and shelter during this time, and I also started loving baking and cooking during the lockdown. I realized that I am very privileged and I have access to many basic necessities that others don't, and I would miss staying home after the lockdown. And I also learned to appreciate what I have and be content with it during this time. I liked staying home and have my alone time during this lockdown, and I would miss it after it ends. People communalizing a pandemic and the media just spreading hate constantly during such a vulnerable time is what made me sad. And I also acknowledge and appreciate my dad, because even though there's a pandemic going on, he is still working and helping people so that they could get the masks and the sanitizers.
ਮੈਂ ਸਰਾਹਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਕੂੜੇ ਤੇ ਕਚਰਾ ਉਠਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਵਾਚਮੈਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਰੋਜ਼ ਇਸ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਡਿਊਟੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਮੈਂ ਸਰਾਹਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਹਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਫਰੂਟਸ ਤੇ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਬਲਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਘਰ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਬਿਤਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰੇ ઘર વાલે ਦੀ કુકિંગ મિસ કરાંગી।
આજે લોકડાઉનને 1 મહિનો થઈ ગયો છે અને હું આ 1 મહિનામાં બહુ જ આનંદ માણી રહી છું। જે મેં મારા 21 વર્ષના લગ્નમાં માણ્યું નથી એ બધું હું માણી રહી છું। જેવી રીતે સાથે મળીને જમવું, સાથે મળીને રમવું, સાથે મળીને ટીવી જોવું, સાથે મળીને જીવનનો હરેક જે પલ છે એનો આનંદ લેવો।
I've been married over a year, but I haven't seen this side of my life partner before. But lockdown made me realize how much I love him, how much I appreciate him for the efforts he puts, not only to make me happy, but also help me out in the daily chores at home. In this busy world, I think we've all been so busy that we don't get enough time to share our course together. But during this lockdown, even though he has so much of workload, I think he's been one of the best life partners that I could have asked for.
I think this lockdown provided a great time for the working parents to play with their children, help them in their holiday works, do paintings and crafts, prepare the food they like, and so many other things. Now we are not in a hurry as always. We are with them to hear their stories and to watch their play.
I never thought I'll bake my own pav or make a puri for the pani puri or rasmalai at home. I mean, it was so much easier to eat outside, but I have started loving all this homemade stuff now. I know once the lockdown is over and life goes back to normal, I won't be making all that at home, and I'm going to miss all of this badly. Also, I'm loving the fresh air, the pollution free skies, and the sound of birds I've never heard before. Looking at the condition of the developed countries around the globe, one thing I have realized is that no one was prepared to deal with a pandemic like this.
There are some really good things that I've experienced during lockdown. I'm newly married and I got to spend a lot of time with my partner, which I wouldn't have if there was no lockdown. So that is the biggest thing that I appreciate. I have started enjoying my time. I have become a calmer self because I think there I'm not running after something which I usually am in my routine life. I have refound my love for cooking. I tend to make different recipes every day and I do quite enjoy it. I enjoy the process and the final recipe that I make.
Recently celebrated my birthday. Wasn't expecting much. My family did their best to make sure that it's one of the best. It was really overwhelming.
Something that I realized during the lockdown is that not every day needs to be productive. We don't need to feel the pressure to be doing something every single day. It's okay to have days when you don't really do something and you just do something that you define as spending good time.
I liked about the lockdown is I started admiring my husband all the more after his hidden quality I could see during the lockdown. Patience, calmness, discipline, hygiene, routine of people gave me a hope for the better, healthy society in future. But I too feel sad for the plight of daily wage laborer.
I've realized on a very deeper level of how interconnected we are during this lockdown, and also in complete awe with nature's intelligence of reclaiming her spaces for her own healing.
আমি এই জিনিসটা রিয়েলাইজ করেছি কি এই লকডাউনের সময় কোনো জিনিস পার্মানেন্ট নেই, ভালো এটা তোমার চাকরি হোক, তোমার হেলথ হোক, কি তোমার লাইফ হোক, সবেতে তুমি তোমার টাইম দাও। এই জিনিসটা আমি নিজেকেও বলি আর আমি সবাইদেরকে বলতে চাই কি এই যে এখন ক্রুশিয়াল টাইমটা চালু আছে, আমাদেরকে সব থেকে ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস যেটা হচ্ছে দ্যাট ইজ পেশেন্স। আমাদেরকে অনেক পেশেন্সের দরকার, যেটাতে আমরা লোকেদের কষ্ট বুঝতে পারি।
I truly appreciate the efforts of the government, the NGOs, the doctors, the nurses, and all the other service providers who are working tirelessly to help us be indoors and keep ourselves safe. Hats off to you.
I will miss all the free leisure time I have after the lockdown. It's sad but inevitable how busy and occupied we get in our professional lives that we forget to give ourselves some time and take time off. It doesn't necessarily have to be time to do something constructive. Maybe just to think, to relax, or simply catch up on all that we've missed out on during those busy and grueling hours of work. This is a school vacation I wish we hadn't got, but one we definitely needed. I hope to keep giving myself more time to do other things apart from work after the lockdown ends.